Hi friends, today we are going to Thottikalu. Thottikalu is also known as TK Falls. So from Bangalore, JP Nagar, it is about 20 kilometers. So now today we are going to TK Falls. So I'll show you the route map, everything. We will put everything in the description box. So let's go. The distance between TK Falls and JP Nagar is 20 kilometers. Travel time refers to the time taken if the distance is covered by a car. Need to take a left turn after 3 km of Art of Living, Kanakpura Road. And this road is known as TK Falls Road. Again we have to drive 5 km to reach the fall.
उधर पार्किंग होगा?
है सर, कोई टेंशन नहीं है, सब कुछ है।
इधर देख आइए।
Now we have started our journey. We have parked our car and we started walking. So now from here we have to walk at least 1.2 kilometer so that we will reach TK Falls. So we have already started walking. So we are very excited and
पानी का आवाज आ रहा है।
and my daughter is also very excited. She is just running. The weather is really very soothing, and see the greenery everywhere. It is full green. So this is a parking lot where everybody has parked their car, and bikers here, a lot of bikers, they come here. When we hear this excitement, the sound of the water, we are getting more excitement. Whole area is in the forest and everywhere we will find the rocky place. So from here we are entering a narrow place. Now we are entering inside. See a small temple inside here. Then we will go, we'll climb more staircases. I think this is the entry to TK Falls, but here it is written no entry. So we were confused whether that route or this route, but here we can find a lot of people. They are walking through this route only, so we have choose to come here only. So this is a well. It is so old and ancient well. Carry an extra pair of clothes even if you are not willing to take the shower, because the falls are so mesmerizing that you will definitely feel to take a dip in them. See, everybody is enjoying. All are in a mood of enjoying. So they are all shouting and screaming. So we didn't bring dress today. Next time I'm sure I'm going to bring a dress, and then we will take a shower. It's lovely place to visit here. And from top view, we can climb top also. But it is, I think, a little risky. That is why we are sitting here on the rock. it is lunch time. It is around 1 o'clock. Now we are having our lunch. So for today, chicken kasa and brown rice. Carry lunch and sufficient bottles of water because you will not find any restaurants nearby. It is advisable to carry dustbin bags and throw your garbage in them and dispose them in a safer place. This earth is full of mysterious places that are yet to be explored by humankind. And out of the ones that have been discovered in India but are still lesser known to the public is the waterfall at Tiki Falls. A waterfall cannot be silent, just as the wisdom. When they speak, the voice of power speaks. Please subscribe, like, share, and tap the bell icon.